Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to save other people's Snapchat into your camera roll. And here is how. Before, saving someone else's Snapchats required screen recording or downloading a special app. However, recently, Snapchat introduced a feature that makes the process much simpler. Today, I will walk you through how to use this feature, which is really simple. We will launch the video that we want to save, and when you click on that chat, the most recent picture that was received will appear. To store it, you will need to tap and hold. Three options will appear. You can replay the Snapchat, save it to chat, or respond to it. We would want to save it in our chat. Once it is saved in the chat, it will play as a video. To save this video to your camera roll, press and hold, then click Save to Camera Roll. That's all set. I will now show you how to store your own Snapchats. To do this, slide to your camera, snap a picture, and then click the arrow in the lower left corner to save it to your camera roll and Snapchat memories. To save an image that you have added to your story, click the upper left icon, then click your story. Next, slide up and push the arrow in the upper left corner of the story, and it will be saved to your memories and camera roll. As a bonus, I will show you how to remove a specific photo or video from Snapchat's memories but not from your camera roll. Snapchat has a feature where it stores images in both locations, so you can slide over any photo or video that you don't want to resurface in your memories years down the road. To delete a photo, click the photo icon in the lower left corner, then select the desired photo and press the three dots in the upper right corner to execute a snap delete. And even though that picture is no longer in your memories or appearing, it is still preserved on your camera roll and can be manually deleted. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.